Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I am going to put this video to music and just let you know I have a whole lot of stuff going on over here. So this project is pretty imperfect in that my lines aren't exactly straight and neat, and just like with real soldering, the fake soldering is just as challenging as the real soldering. It's very hard to get straight lines, and I have people coming in and out of the house. Like I said, we have got a lot going on. I also wanted to let you know we're looking to downsize, so we are getting rid of so many things, and some of you are kind enough to write to me and ask if you can send me things or if I would like something that you've done. And please don't take offense when I say no thank you, because what's happening right now is because we're thinking of moving, we are definitely getting rid of everything. And so within the year, we plan to be out of here. And that is part of the reason for the rushing, the not taking my time as much as I would have loved to. And I'm still excited with the way this project came out. See how this looks without the light on? That's a little bit better. So you can see that I did this faux stained glass technique. I wanted to paint the tissue paper. You can certainly get tissue paper that's already colored. You want to be careful because sometimes those tissue papers bleed, but I really wanted some specific colors in this, so I used colors where I just took white tissue paper and I painted it. And I'll show you how to do all of that in this upcoming video. Not quite perfect, but I don't mind that. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and understanding the chaos that's going on over here. I'm going to do everything I can to keep making the videos. And Upcycle with Decoupage is on Facebook. If you go over and like and follow the page, Facebook will notify you every week when I put a new video out. Without further ado, here is how I did this faux stained glass project.